Hi, my name is Melissa, and welcome to the Healing Circle. I'm super excited today because it is our first segment of Food for Thought. I'm hoping by now you guys have had the opportunity to check out our introduction video that we posted earlier this week. If not, it's not a big deal. You have plenty of time to watch it, like for say right after this video. Anyway, just in case you didn't, I'm going to summarize this really quick for you. Our channel is going to be broken into 3 segments: Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. On Mondays, we're doing what we call What's on Your Plate. We're going to sit with different chefs and get different vegan and vegetarian recipes. So stay tuned for that. Wednesday, we're going to do this. It's called Food for Thought. Basically, it's anything metaphysical, whether it be hypnosis, healing, energy healing, meditation, spiritual contact, anything that we can think to bring you and to show you guys to help you guys reach your full potential. On Fridays, we're going to do what we're calling Witches Corner. We'll be interviewing different witches from around the area and pagans to see what they do in their lives to help their energy stay nice and bright and vibrant. And we're going to bring that all to you weekly, so hope you guys tune in for all that. And just to make sure you get notified, if you subscribe down below, you can click the notification button and they'll let you know whenever we post some new content. So on that note, if you like the videos, like them and share them, and definitely comment your opinions, your thoughts, even if you have experiences, or if you simply want to say hi to us, just say hi. We love it. We love communicating with you guys. This channel is for you guys, so the more we hear from you, the better we can help you guys. So keep that in mind. Before we get into the video, I want to take the time to thank you guys and let you know how much I appreciate you guys being here with me right now. You guys could be watching any other video, you could be doing any other thing, but right now you're here with me watching the video that I'm making for you guys. So, from my heart, I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys join us for every other segment, and I hope the information we give you helps you to reach your highest potential. So, with that in mind, let's get into the guts of this. Um, in the introduction video, we spoke of the pineal gland and eating habits. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about both of them, but not an awful lot because there's so much to it. We could spend like an entire segment doing it, and we will. Be sure that will happen. We'll show you different ways to strengthen the pineal gland and to eat foods that are healthy for you, that'll feed your soul and nourish your body properly. But for now, we're just going to touch base on it a little bit. You guys wonder, what's the pineal gland? Why is it important? What function does it have? And so there's a scientific version and there's a metaphysical version. We'll start with the science. Basically, they discovered in the center of the 2 hemispheres of the brain, there's this little tiny gland that looks like a pine cone, and hence its name, pineal gland. And that's located, again, behind your third eye, and it's sort of kind of in the center of your head, right down in there. Its basic purpose is to produce melatonin, and it, in turn, keeps your circadian rhythm going, which is basically your alarm clock. It knows to tell your body it's time for bed, it's time to wake up, it's time to sleep, all that good stuff. Um, so as far as scientific stuff goes, it's important for your sleep and regulating your body's alarm clock. So basically, it feeds your brain and body the melatonin that it needs to keep up its rhythms so you can sleep and wake when needed and when you're supposed to. And then on a metaphysical side, has a whole different meaning. Basically, the third eye or the pineal gland is like your window to your soul. It's the window to the universe. It's the window to different realms. And so sometimes it can get blocked, whether it's an emotional reason, if you have an illness, sometimes things such as fluoride and other things in food and nature can actually cause that to calcify and kind of lay dormant. And when that happens, you can't really reach your potential, not your highest potential. Feel like clogged, like slower, almost like a zombie state. And if you've ever seen some of those pictures of um, the blocked pineal gland stare, it's like literally a zombie look. So there's again, many ways to clear that up and help regulate that, um, with your diet, with meditation, in so many different ways. But today we're just going to look at one little exercise. It's pretty much like a push-up for the pineal gland. Really simple exercise. I'm just going to kind of explain to you how to do it, and then you can practice it at home whenever you feel like it. So basically, you're going to pick a spot on the wall. It could be a spot, it could be a painting, a picture, it could be a candle, anything that you set in front of you. For this example, we'll just use a candle. So you're going to place a candle in front of you, a little ways away, and sit there. First, you want to close your eyes and just relax and get your body adjusted. Find a nice, comfortable chair or even on the floor, whatever works for you. When you do this, you look at that candle with both eyes wide open, and you look at it, soak it in, let that imagery just kind of go back in your head and really set in your brain and know it. Like, let it feel like it's part of you, like you can see it intently. You know the size, the shape, the color, even the way the light flickers. So anything about it, you want to take it in and just know that candle through and through. And then you go to close your eyes just for about a minute and relax. As you close your eyes really slowly, allow your third eye to open. And by this, I mean you want to visualize even a third eye just opening up very slowly up there. And focus on that candle with your third eye open, but your eyes are closed. So you focus again on this candle for about a minute. Focus really hard, like same thing. You want to see the shape, the color, the size, the way the light flickers, every little detail you can take in. You want to get that in right to your visual core. So allow that to go in your third eye and really land in your pineal gland and even further back. Your core runs straight through your chakras, so front and back. So you want to really feel that, let that image go into your third eye and right through and really feel that image. And once you have that done, take another minute or so. You can take as long as you want, but a minute's good. Um, you want to close your third eye, relax again for about a minute, and see that in your head without any eyes, all your eyes closed. Just see that image in your head again. And then again, slowly open your eyes and focus on that so you can really see it again and in detail, full detail. Do this for another minute. Close your eyes again and opening your third eye. Leave that third eye open and focus with that third eye on that item again. Color, shape, size, the way the light flickers, every little detail that you can possibly find. You want to do this. The more detail you can bring in, the more you're going to work that third eye. And you can do this another minute or so, and then close your third eye again, relax, open both eyes and your third eye, focus intently again, get all that detail in, and this time close your eyes and allow your third eye to stay open, focusing on that item. And when you have that fully in your mind, in your third eye, you can close your eyes in your third eye, relax again, and that's it. Just do that whenever you want, as often as you want. It's not going to hurt. It's pretty much like a push-up. You get to work that muscle and focus, and you're working the gland and showing it the imagery that you're seeing through your regular eyes. So let me know down in the comments if you got a hang of that little exercise, if it worked for you, how it worked for you. If it didn't work, let me know and we'll give you another exercise to try. But definitely let me know down below in the comments, and that way we can help you with an exercise that works for you. That's a pretty easy one and pretty easy to learn and do, so hopefully it'll work for you. It may not. Everybody's different, and if it doesn't, please let me know so I can help you with a different one. So the other subject we wanted to cover was dietary habits. I don't like the diet, so let's go, it's a harsh word, let's go with eating habits. So everybody obviously has different eating habits, and I'm personally a vegan, and that's because it works for me. It's not going to work for everybody. Eating fruits and vegetables and beans doesn't work for everybody. Some people need to do the vegetarian diet, and some people need to eat beef and chicken and fish and whatever. The important thing to remember is it's your choice, and whatever works for you is what you need to do. Not what works for anybody else, but what works for you. I personally am a vegan because through my journeys of becoming a shaman, I just could not do it anymore. I look at it right now and it just, I want to cry because it has affected me so much. And that's okay. That's me. That's how I am. That doesn't mean everybody has to be the same way. Alls I'm asking and alls I would suggest to everybody is whatever you choose to do, own it, respect it, and definitely know where your food is coming from. Whether it's vegetables or fruit or chicken, beef, eggs, know the source. Know if it's being handled and taken care of and treated properly. I know that sounds funny talking about fruits and vegetables, but true. You can mistreat the fruits and vegetables. You don't want to put pesticides and all kinds of nasty things in your food because that's just going to pollute your body. Those toxins are no good for your body. When it comes to meat, like chicken and beef, you want to know if you have free range chickens, if they're treated right, or if they're crowded in a little box and treated inhumanely. Cows, pigs, whatever you choose to do, just own it, know the source, and respect it, and you can't go wrong. So remember, it's always your choice. Do what works for you. Don't worry about what works for everybody else because we're not alike. There's not one single person that is exactly the same. Our eating habits are different. We need different nourishment, and keep that in mind. Don't be bothered by the fact, oh, that person's a vegan and here I am eating meat. It doesn't matter. What matters is that you do what's true to you and give your body what your body needs to survive and to flourish. The goal here is for you to reach your highest potential, and you can't do that if you limit yourself to what others are doing. Okay, so the idea, open up, let your brain, let your body, let everything just flourish, and do that by being true to yourself, owning your owning everything, owning your decisions, respecting yourself and your decisions, and know where your product comes from. And again, if you do all that, I think you'll be just fine. So I'm hoping you appreciate this as much as I appreciate you guys being here. Hope all my tips and advice works for you guys. And please like, share, subscribe, click the notification button, and please comment. We look forward to hearing from you guys. We love reading your comments. We love interacting with you guys. This is your channel. Please allow us to do for you whatever you want by telling us what you want to see. Um, but starting next week, we're going to be actually Friday, we're going to be interviewing a local witch. Monday, we will be with Chef Kyle. He's going to teach us how to make a vegan chili, which I personally am pretty excited for. He gave me a sneak peek at the recipe and looks pretty darn good. And on Wednesday, our next food for thought, we're going to be going to Lewiston to Vilene's Wellness, and we're going to see all the good stuff she does in her shop. And yes, I'm going to let her hypnotize me on camera so you guys can see what it's like, how it happens, and stuff like that, so you can see if it's something you want to do for yourselves. So hope you guys ride along with us. Hope you guys like and share. Hope you subscribe. And I hope you have fun reaching your fullest potential. Good luck. And until then, please stay safe and stay healthy.